what is the meaning of the preamble? Because preamble is the very important part of the Indian Constitution. It is the introduction of the Indian Constitution. It tells the purpose, the values and the principle of the Constitution. It guarantees, the preamble gives the guarantees to the citizen. But what about the justice? Which justice? The justice that is the social, economic and the political. If we want the justice, we can ask about the social justice, the economic justice and the political justice also. The second is the liberty. Liberty means the freedom. Everyone should get the freedom of everything. And the freedom, what about the freedom? The freedom is the thought and the expression. Everyone have the freedom of their thought. We can express our thought on the according of the Indian Constitution. There is no discrimination, there is no partiality in any person to express their thought. And the third is the equality. Equality means we should get the equal opportunity of their progress and about everything. Fourth is the fraternity. What is meant by the fraternity? Unity and the brotherhood among the citizens. We should have the unity. We all are the same and the equal as per the Indian Constitution. No one has followed their or to live as per the religion, but we should live as the Indian citizen, and that is the fraternity, that is the unity, the brotherhood. Now, what are the key points? The first key point of the Indian Constitution, that is the sovereign, means India is free to make its own decision. Our country is free, not the under in any country or anyone else. Not only the India, but we all are the free to do or to take or to go anywhere else. That is the sovereign. The socialist. What is meant by socialist? That is reducing inequality and ensuring social welfare. Democracy. What is meant by democratic? Government is elected by the people. Our government, our Indian government will be elected by us, by the Indian people. That is the democratic. Means we are the people of that is the adult. After the 18 years old people should be go to the voting in the election. And that is the democratic. The fifth important key point is that the republic. What is meant by republic? The head of the state is elected, not a king or a queen. That is also the republic. Our India is the republic nation because we elected our government by the voting. It has no any king or the queen also. We have the president, the prime minister, and each state has the chief minister also. And also we have all types of right to do the things or to elect the person as per our opinion, our choice. These all are the key points of the Indian Constitution that we should be remember and always follow it. If we follow it properly, then there will be no any troublesome in our life. We should honor the Indian Constitution by not only the words but by our awareness about it and the responsibility towards it. Means we should be responsible to save our Indian Constitution, because Indian Constitution is a very important to every person. I will tell you I will tell the very short example. That was the incidents happened in the last 2 months, I think 1 month. Can you tell me who is the CJ of India? CJI of India, present, 9th standard. Bhushan Gavai is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and there was a shoe attack happened on him, but no one has taken any actions, no one had done anything. Not only the insult of the CJI, but that was the insult of Indian Constitution, that was the irrespect of the Indian Constitution. And why that is this irrespect? Because Indian Constitution is mostly responsible to the every person, and the person is also responsible to the Indian Constitution, because we are living as per the rules, as per the articles of the Indian Constitution. And that's why now, after that incident was happened, the other justice, other lawyers are taking the actions on it. Not only the arrested, but he had been inquired about the matter. Like that, the incident will be happen. If we are not aware about the Indian Constitution, about our fundamental rights, about the articles, the incident will be happen with us also. And that's why that is our responsibility. We should be known, we should be learned, we should be study of about every articles in the Indian Constitution. If we should be responsible, we should be aware, we should be careful, then the India is not only running according to the Indian Constitution, but our whole life is running, and that's why we should be careful and respectful towards it. Okay, this information is sufficient now for this time, and from Monday you will also get the remaining information on the Indian Constitution. That's why you should be listen it carefully. Thank you.